February and March can be very volatile when it comes to weather. Well, that's something that we have known, so I'm not telling you anything new. But one day we can have weather that is nice and in the 30s or 40s and sunny, and then all of a sudden the next day we can be back into the teens or the 20s and it's sleeting or snowing and the wind has picked up. Well, those are things that happen. That's just the nature of this time of year and the different dynamics that happen when we change seasons. Well, that's exactly what we're seeing with the markets as well. We're changing a season. We've been in this growth mode with our economy and slowing of inflation. And what we're starting to see is that things have shifted for the month ahead. So now we're starting to see that the growth is starting to slow a little bit and things are starting to crop up. So we're going into a lead 3 environment that says we have a little slowing growth of our economy and just a slight amount of rising inflation. Not a lot, but that makes change happen. And when we see this going on, when we see the change happening, we have to adjust. So it's just like the weather, that when we see the changes that are happening in the weather, we don't have a short sleeve shirt when it's 15 degrees and snowing and very windy. We have to make adjustments. We have to put on new layers. Well, that's exactly what has to happen with the accounts, with your portfolios, making sure that you are taken care of as well. You see, there are individuals that do things like that. So when we talk about it, how we can make adjustments, there are large institutions that do those same things. And then there are what we call the dealers. These are the ones that are in charge of making sure that the stock market acts as rational as it can. And they provide liquidity. But what they also do is work with the options market. And there's a lot of times that the options market adjusts, and then that adjustment is felt in the stock market. And I think we're coming up on one of those times as well, because of the fact that we have what we call the monthly options that are expiring, and these dealers have to make the adjustments. So they have to buy new options. And this is, think of it like taking off your old coat and putting on a new one. So when the weather changes, you may need to have a coat that's a little heavier, or you may need to have a coat that's a little more lightweight, but can be part of layers. And that's what these options help do for the dealers. They can provide that hedging, those layers that are needed. So that does happen, sometimes on a weekly basis, but the more significant ones happen on a monthly basis. And so we're coming into one of those times. And I don't mention it a lot because for the sake of what we're doing with the portfolios and making sure that you're taken care of, it doesn't actually mean a significant change. But this time can be a little different because of the fact that if we are in an environment that's changing, those hedges change, those options change, the ways the structure works. And so what was really providing support for the markets and for the things to come, all of a sudden may be taken away. And that support may not be there. So you see more volatility. You see the patterns change in the markets. And that happens a lot of times with the weather as well. Because when we take away the warm weather, and all of a sudden this cold weather kind of comes in, just hovers there, that can make things interesting. That can make things, well, not the way we want it to be. But in the interim, when we have the old warm weather going out and the new cold weather coming in, you see a lot of volatility, you see a lot of wind, you see a lot of things that happen. And that can be really what we're thinking about as well. So what do we do here? Well, being prepared and knowing that these changes happen is the biggest deal. And so when we take a look at what's to come, yes, this is normal. So hear me say that this is something that happens on a regular basis, that these changes do crop up. And we can make adjustments with it. So yes, we can move out of some investments and into others. We can add in investments that actually hedge, and not always just against the markets going down, but the volatility as well. And there are investments that can actually make money on the way up with the stock market, and also ones that can make money on the way down. And those types of investments can really help to what we call lower the volatility of your portfolio. So in the changing storms of the market, we're not caught off guard. So think about it this way. When you have all of the cold weather, when you have the changing times, you want something for the rain and the sleet to protect you. But then you also need to protect yourself against the cold weather. So you need hats and gloves and warm layers. And that's what we're doing. We're providing the different layers that go into the portfolios that can help when we need it most. And so those can always be taken off in the future. Those can always be lifted and set aside when they're not needed. But while we go through times like this, while we go through the times of the unknowns, the volatility, it's just being prepared. It's having the layers. And in the stock market term, you call that diversification. And the one thing that people know is that it's easy to be diversified when the markets are going up and you have all of the correct layers on. So when the weather is nice, when the weather is warm and sunny, you can have a t-shirt, you can have the nice shorts and being able to enjoy it. But you better have the ability to add in long sleeve shirts, some cover to make sure that you're protected against the sleet. All of the things with the weather, it's the same thing with your portfolio. And that's where we're seeing it today, that it's just a matter of adding on the extra layers of protection. And this may be for a short period of time. That's what we're projecting. Or maybe things change. Maybe the dynamics change. Maybe the unknowns happen. And that's where it provides a little more protection when that happens as well. So just remember that yes, things change with the stock market. Having a plan in place and being prepared is the best thing to be. And right now, that is exactly what we have ready to go for your portfolios and for the different dynamics that are out there. So as you have questions, as you want to know more, please feel free to reach out, because we can talk about the ways that we're looking to make sure that no matter what, that you have the answers to the questions that you're asking about how the markets are working. Take care.